Welcome to Fireside Chats with Wise on Home Inspections. I'm Trish, and I'll be your host for the next few minutes while you enjoy a cup of coffee. I'll do my best to make sure this mini presentation is over before you're done. Over the series, we will go over items that will stand out during a showing, and some items that may only come up because of the home inspection. These are higher cost items which may impact the home's affordability. Having a few of these items in the same property may put your buyer in a financial situation they can't handle. So knowing that up front allows you and your buyer to be prepared in advance. A roof that needs replacing is usually an easy one to spot. If the buyer knows in advance that they may have to replace the roof, they can budget accordingly and get replacement quotes before subject to removal if needed. Both of these photos show worn and damaged shingles. Roofs in this condition are quite obvious when viewed from the ground. When you see curling shingles from the ground, you know it's likely that the roof will need replacing now or in the near future. A roof is only as strong as its weakest point. The photo on the left shows the roof starting to show signs of deterioration, but it likely has a few years left. The photo on the right is taken at the same house and shows significant loss of granular in the valley. Although the area of the roof could be repaired, since we're seeing signs of failure, it's important for the buyer to know it will be an upcoming cost. The overall recommendation would be to budget for replacement. While you're looking up at the roof, if you happen to notice a garden growing in the eaves troughs, this may be an indication of how well the home isn't maintained. These maintenance items will likely fall into the hands of your buyer, so hopefully they'll be up for it. Well, that's it for today. I hope you found it helpful and informative. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or want to chat, please reach out. See you next time.